Hello students and welcome to video number 9 for the topic molecular genetics, evolution, and population ecology. Now we will continue our discussion about evolution. So when you say speciation, okay, it refers to the evolution of new species. So as you can see, we have the ancestor finch. Okay, because of the natural selection, it gave rise to three different species. In terms of why? Because of the differences of their beaks, no? Tingnan ninyo. Iba-iba yung structure. So this finch is for insect. This woodpecker type insect eating, yung talaga nagka-crush siya ng wood. And then ito seed eating. In this illustration naman, we have speciation events that give rise to different species of fruit flies. So we have two types of speciation. First is allopatric. When you say allopatric, there's a physical barrier that divides a population into two or more population. Yan. Allopatric speciation. The second type is sympatric speciation, where a species evolves into a new species without physical barriers. Yeah. So the differences between the two is the presence of barriers, physical and without physical barriers. Patterns of evolution. So we have what we call the adaptive radiation or divergent evolution, where when ancestral species evolve into an array of species to fit number of diverse habitats. Yan. So from this for this species, no, it can give rise to this type of birds na kinakain ng leaves, fruits, ito, kumakain ng fruits, ito, insects, ito, ano lang to, ito ay a joke, no? Uh, for fun na illustration, pero it represents a various type of beak na pwedeng kumain ng iba't ibang um, food. And the other one is the convergent evolution, where patterns of evolution in which distantly related organisms evolve similar traits. So, halimbawa, we have the fish, which is shark, the reptile or ichthyosaur, which is already extinct, mammal, dolphin, and then in terms of bird, penguin. So, may pattern sila ng evolution. Pero they are distantly related organisms. Malayo sa isa't isa. So in this illustration naman, we have the short-headed glider, sugar glider, and flying phalanger, flying possum. And the southern flying squirrel or North American flying squirrel. So sila yung magkaiba. So this is the summary of the patterns of evolution. So we have the convergent evolution between shark and dolphin because shark is a fish, dolphin is mammal. Pero in terms of divergent evolution, ayan, branching of vertebra into mammalia and chondriches. Ayan. So we have the shark under the class Chondriches, which are cartilaginous skeleton, gills, and scale, denticles, and skin. While mammalia naman, ayan, with bony skeleton, lungs, and mammary glands. But they both share common ancestor, which is a vertebrata, vertebrae, cranium, and tripartite brain. Coevolution, or two or more species, reciprocally affect each other's evolution. So, nag-evolve yung bird, nag-evolve yung flower. Ayan. So, example is the hummingbird and the flower. Yeah, so we have the common ancestor that give rise to two different species.